kak. Straight, left.
Yes, straight ka lang. Dito.
Okay, go.
There's a 6-minute slowdown on
Oh, slow down ta.
25 and 3/4.
Ganda ng ano, driver ko, oh. Principal! Tara! Ang ganda mo, Day! No? Hey guys, andito na kami sa malls. Mag-hi ka, Christine.
Hi, how are you?
Ang taray, pinapalo siya ng drone. Putangina ka.
Hanapin mo Primark.
Saan ba tayo?
Kohl's. Di ba, Day? Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving. Casey loves you. Alit ang best!
No?
Ayun, nakakalipa mo siya. S! I was looking for you.
Tumaba talaga siya, no?
Sumarap. Ikot siya, ikot. Oh. Oh my God! You didn't even recognize me.
No, I did, but
Huh?
you're not flying to see.
No, I'm not. I was earlier.
How you doing, bro?
Yeah. We're good. How are you, babe?
She got stopped by one of the securities.
Yeah, because I was
And then she told her, you know Ezra?
Yeah, no, you can't.
Yeah, no,
fly.
it's just like, this one is just like a toy. Like, it just follow you, but it's still, yeah. It's okay.
How you guys doing?
We're good.
Doing good.
How you like your dad?
Hi, Kissy loves.
I got the same camera. I got the same camera.
The Osmo.
This one, yeah. It's...
Oh,
Naiyak kasi ako dahil.
Diyos ko. Ang target.
Are you hungry? You daughter hungry?
My daughter hungry. My daughter hungry.
Saan na ba tayo?
Saan nga ba? Harap tayo.
Ano?
Tubig na dyan.
Ano na
yan eh? May Hudson.
Oo, yung hangin.
Go.
Hi! Nagbablur siya, oo. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda din, oh. No, ang ganda, no?
Sarap po.
Truth! Ano na?
Yes, girl.
Dahil para akong doktora.
Patingin pa na. Doc? Doctor of Medicine? Yes.
Ito Shiwa. Shiwa anata ashtima.
Diba? Head to toe. Christine?
Yes, sweetie. Hi,
Kumusta
how are
naman?
you? Right now we're here at Hoboken. See, look at this, how good looking the guy is behind me. Notre Dame.
Push hard next month.
Oh. Christine.